Dear viewers, in this video lecture today we are going to discuss a chapter number 4 of NCERT book, Chemistry, Carbon and its compounds. Dear friends, topics to be discussed in this chapter are occurrence of carbon, bonding in carbon, formation of covalent bonds, electron dot structures, hydrocarbons, saturated and unsaturated, isomerism, functional groups, homologous series, chemical properties of carbon compounds, some important carbon compounds, and finally we will go through soaps and detergents. So we will start our topic with the basic concept. First, since it is a topic of chemistry, so we must know about chemistry. What is a chemistry? Well, chemistry is the scientific discipline or branch of science involved with elements and compounds composed of atoms, molecules and ions, their composition, structure, properties, behavior and the changes they undergo during a reaction with other substance. So chemistry एक ब्रांच है साइंस का जिसमें हम एलिमेंट्स और कंपाउंड्स के बारे में पढ़ते हैं, मॉलिक्यूल्स और आयन्स के बारे में पढ़ते हैं, उनकी कंपोजिशन, स्ट्रक्चर और प्रॉपर्टीज़ के बारे में पढ़ते हैं एंड उनको कौन सी चेंजेस होती है जब वो किसी दूसरे सब्सटेंस के साथ रिएक्ट करते हैं. दैट वाज अबाउट केमिस्ट्री. नाउ डियर फ्रेंड्स, you know, as our body has many parts, in the similar manner each and every discipline has different branches. So chemistry has different branches. First one is inorganic chemistry, organic chemistry, electrochemistry, surface chemistry, industrial chemistry. We are dealing with carbon and compounds, so it comes in organic chemistry. What is organic chemistry? The branch of chemistry which deals with carbon compounds. So now, dear students, you have seen this. What is this? Obviously it is a periodic table. You have studied about it in your class 9. That is, it is nothing. It is the layout of elements. It consists of about 118 elements and it has 18 groups, 7 periods. The columns are called as groups and horizontal rows are called as periods. Furthermore, it has 4 blocks: S block element, P block, D block and F block. And among these elements, carbon is one of them in which we will study. So first question arises, sir, why do we study carbon? There are so many elements in the periodic table, then why do we only study about carbon? Very nice, a good question. We study carbon, dear friends, because it is the most important element. It is found in Earth's crust, it is found in Earth's atmosphere, it is found in all living organisms, it is found in your fuels like wood, charcoal, petroleum. It is found in free state like diamond, graphite, fluorinous. So dear friends, that is why we study about carbon. Now the first thing is, what is a carbon, because we first know the basic concepts, because concept is power. What is a carbon? A carbon is an element which belongs, you can see in this periodic table, which has an atomic number of 6 and belongs to the P block of your periodic table, and which occurs in 14th group of your periodic table and period number 2 of your periodic table. So the first subtopic which we will discuss today is occurrence of carbon. कार्बन कहाँ पे पाया जाता है? Let's start. Occurrence of carbon. Carbon is found in the atmosphere, inside the earth's crust and in all living organisms. कार्बन एटमॉस्फेयर में पाया जाता है, अर्थ का जो क्रस्ट है, 3 layers of earth has crust, mantle and core, and in earth's crust carbon is found and in all living organisms. प्लांट्स में पाया जाता है, हमारी बॉडी में पाया जाता है. दूसरा है कार्बन इज प्रेजेंट इन फ्यूल्स लाइक वुड, कोल, चारकोल, कोक, petroleum, natural gas, biogas, marsh gas, etc. Third is carbon is present in compounds like carbonates, hydrogen carbonates. Hydrogen carbonates are combination of hydrogen, carbon and oxygen. Carbon is found in the free state as diamond, graphite, fullerenes. So this was about the occurrence of carbon. Let's have a quick view towards this slide. Okay, let me understand these things. It is a diamond, it is diamond, and this black, it is graphite, and you can see in this vehicle it is nothing, it is your LPG cylinder, which with the help of which your car can run. It's all, there is always a carbon in your natural gas. Okay, carry on. Now second subtopic of your topic is bonding in carbon, covalent bond. The atomic number of carbon is 6. You are well aware about this. So its electronic configuration is 2,4, or we can say electronic arrangement. It has 4 valence electrons. Dear friends, what do you mean by a valence electron? The number of electrons present in the outermost shell of an atom is called a valence electrons. Here the number of electrons in its outermost shell is 4. That is why it has 4 valence electrons, or we can say its valency is 4. It can attain stability by gaining 4 electrons, losing 4 electrons, or sharing 4 electrons with other atoms. In order to attain stability, because stability is very mandatory for element, it has to do 3 things. First, या तो ये गेन करेगा, दूसरा या लूज करेगा, तीसरा या तो ये शेयर अपने 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को करेगा दूसरे एटम्स के साथ. इट डज नॉट गेन 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, ये 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को गेन नहीं कर सकता है. कारण क्या है? बिकॉज इट इज़ डिफ़िकल्ट फॉर द 6 प्रोटॉन्स टू होल्ड 10 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. 6 प्रोटॉन्स को इतनी क्षमता नहीं है कि वो 10 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को अपने अंदर लेंगे. तो we are left with 2 options. Second option for carbon is it does not to lose 4 electrons, but it does not lose 4 electrons. Why? 4 electrons को lose करने के लिए it needs a large amount of energy. तीसरा लास्ट ऑप्शन जो इसके पास बचा है, इस बेचारे के पास, वह है शेयरिंग. So it shares 4 electrons with other atoms to attain stability, resulting in the formation of covalent bond. अब ये 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स किसी दूसरे एटम के साथ शेयर करेगा, जिसकी वजह से इसको स्टेबिलिटी हासिल हो जाएगी, और इन इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को शेयर करने में जो बॉन्ड बन जाएगा कार्बन से दूसरे एटम्स के बीच में, दैट इज कोवलेंट बॉन्ड. Since carbon atoms need 4 electrons to stability, therefore its valency is 4 and it is tetravalent. चूँकि कार्बन एटम को चाहिए 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स अपनी स्टेबिलिटी हासिल करने के लिए, इसलिए इसकी वैलेंसी जो है वो 4 है, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस वेरी रीज़न कार्बन इज टेट्रावैलेंट. यू कैन सी इन दिस स्लाइड I have put 4 electrons around the carbon. These are valence electrons. Then you can see second figure. This is the covalent bond. Thank you. Keep watching and do subscribe. Goodbye.